and the man is a fisherman. Hanka Jack RB449. Hanka Jack. Now this man story, Hanka Jack, important, and I'm forward today for capture him story. This is the bait boat. I'm gonna tell you all about it. Are you there today? Today are you there?
Okay.
Remember the time we are talking and the man interrupt me?
Yeah.
I travel, you know, and I meet people, but you travel till you meet the right people who have a good story.
Yes.
In order to capture the story of the elders have been traveling for 20 years to Jamaica, and we capture the story of the elders so we can preserve it for the next generation.
Yes, man.
Well, based on what you were saying to me, your name is Jack,
Yeah.
and your boat name Hanka Jack.
Hanka Jack.
And why did you call it Hanka Jack?
What really happened now? We catch a lot of fish, jackfish, we looking fishing. So then just call me Jack. So that name now, we just like that name. Because we love jackfish and we catch a lot of jackfish. Catch one jackfish, we 190 something, you know. One fish, right here, so you come. Amber Jack. Looking at jackfish. And me tell you the reason why now. It was a running season at the time. And now we go see and no bait, we cannot get no bait. No cow we try, we cannot get no bait. And when you want to see, you just see a flick it on the boat, jack on the boat, nothing to get. And I cook some dumpling for my dinner. Dumpling and fish, you know what. And oh, then I mind just say, you know what. Oh, baby. Yes, honey. Let's go. Hold on, I'm talking. So, we said, but no, if you put on the line, so we take up one of the dumpling now, we're gonna eat, and we mind just say, you know what, this thing white, it look like a bait. We cut it into a long slice like my finger, cut them into a put it up and hook, man. So when you cut down, every hook hold it. So from that now, it's like the name is Jack Strong. Because I catch a whole lot when you're looking at the boat level of pure Jack and it's
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
So you trick them think a worm?
Think a worm, because cut it in a slide style.
Yeah.
Make it long and wiggling. So when you go down, it just on the line. So when you see it, everybody does food. And then they get caught. So you have to use here knowledge in everything, in experience. Fish is nature, we is nature. We trickify, fish trickify. So you have to study, go back and forth, how to operate with those things. Because fish are very genius. Yes.
So after them get used to something, them
Yes.
So after them get used to something, them stop.
Right.
It's like you think
Like
them the little one them tell the big one them. You think them.
And I'll tell you something. If you let one get away, you have no more to catch. Because the one who get away is a body, that's cool. And when him get away, him get hurt, you see him move off. You have to wonder why them now left him. Them a follow him when they move. If him get hurt, them a move from the spot, and the rest them a go follow him.
So they know saying get hurt.
Yes. So I'm gonna leave you not get any more.
So if when you have fish you can't make none.
Get away so easy. Because the rest them study. And is another thing about it too. Fish are smart. You see the jackfish, you know, if you catch the first one and you keep him alive over there, you catch out all the rest what was there. And the one was there not moving, swimming around, then not leaving him. Just like we human, you go somewhere, you miss him, say, where did they, where Harry there? You can't find it, you can't find Harry, because everybody come together. Just like we human, nature.
So wait, they repeat that again. So if you catch one You said something about, say that again to me.
If you catch one, and you pin him and make him stay over there on a line.
On a line?
Yes, because the rest of them over there. Because them not leaving.
Oh.
So when them see him moving around, them not leaving him.
Oh.
So you contain the body, them not leaving him. So you catch all that in the kind of feeding. But if you move the first one and get away, no more for you. Everybody gone with him because he get hurt and he move off with him hurt.
Got it. So once them see my wiggle, them think him alive and everything good.
He's not gonna wiggle, he's gonna move like a bullet from where you is when you get hurt. Just like when you fling a stone and knock a dog and him get hurt, he move and you don't want to get the knock again. So when you catch him, you hook him, keep him in the water. Yes.
And them say, oh, him over there, so.
Yes, so the rest them they around him.
Them around him.
So then you have the line and catch the body what they did because that one, they're not leaving that one.
So people will catch them fish, pull them out and I wait for another one and I know so the fish them say no.
No. Because you sit down there and
them say Jack gone.
You so wonder how you get no bite, but them would know. Them gone furthest, the one that injured them gone with him.
So them know him disappear.
Them no know, so them see him disappear and they're not leaving him, then going with him. Because they wonder what happened to him.
But when him disappear, you pull him out, them confused.
Well, them not leave because they might look for him which part you there.
Okay.
Because them not leaving where you is.
Okay.
But if you make him get away, that's it.
Him gone with them. Him tell them say, look man.
When I tell him say something wrong, I don't know why, but everybody going.
And how them move, them communicate.
Yes, they communicate.
Through their movements.
Yes.
So if them get frisky and...
You know fish talk to one another. Just like how me they talk. But we cannot understand it.
Them have them frequency.
Them have a radio or like a sound.
A radio sonar thing.
Radio sonar thing where them communicate to one another. But you don't understand, but them communicate.
This is an important fish story by Jack.
It's communication with fish.
So all your life, do you pass on these stories to your friends?
No, because we have the experience. We fishermen have a lot of history. Every fisherman have a history about himself. If he don't have a history, he's not a fisherman. He must be a serious fisherman. Every fisherman on this earth have a history by himself.
More of an individual story. But the experience tell. Different.
Yes, to tell. Why him is a fisherman. He have a story about himself with fish. So you see these things. You see people see you go and see, you just feel say all is well, all is not well, man. It's a whole party. That's why you see when the fisherman name come in. Some people as they come, them say, Ray, no, I get you confused because fisherman, his brain is like a clock, clicking out of the sea. His brain don't steady. So in time he come along, you have to give him maybe an hour or 2 hours if he just, we can get back to normal. When a fisherman go to sea, he don't normal. He's not a normal person. He mix with the sea and everything because the sea communicated with you and the sea because you is riding, your brain a think about this, you think about all kind of things. You know you sit down you think say boy you put the hooks up and you know you have all kind of things and if anything go wrong you have a quick thinking to get out of it. You have to your brain have to be clicking as a fisherman. You can't take a fool if you go and see you go here and don't come back. You have to be, brain have to be up there with the sea world. Yeah.
And you have to feel the danger.
You have to know the danger too. Because the danger comes sudden sometime and you have to know it. You have to know when to run, when to stay. Yes. And you read the timing by star. You know what time of night, what time of day by the star. At night you can work with the star, you know the time in the hours with the star. Yes. And you can know when weather. You can know when sea come, you can know when what time you're gonna reach you. You have to know when to move. And there's a trick in it. That's why I have to say that again, your brain have to be clicking. No. When you see the weather gonna come, you see it from afar before you reach you. You have time to take care of yourself. But there's a time you're gonna trick Now you have to use your brain. When the weather is coming, that the time the fish start to take your line and them start to feed. And you say, oh, I'm catching you now, go and move because you don't know what's wrong. The problem is, when the weather is behind the fish, them come and them feed full in them belly. If you go away from the weather, go hide. So you start feed. So you feel say, oh, it's belly, they catch you. So if you greedy, the sea will catch you. You see the sign, but you know, I'm going to leave because it's through the fish biting, your mind is, and the fish knowing your mind, and the weather again. Because you want the fish. And if you follow the fish now, you see, when time the fish leave you, that time the weather is on you. You're in trouble now. A lot of history about sea, but it's a good fisherman to tell.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's now you see, when the sea gonna rough, you see sign. You see a little black cloud, maybe you see a little white cloud and you watch it by the movements. If you notice, if the movements is very slow, it's not gonna be well dangerous. If you see movements is very fast, you know it's coming fast. Because you see by the cloud, the movement. Sometimes the cloud come with white, sometimes it come with black, sometimes you have a dark looking, sometimes well black. If you see well black right across the globe, take away yourself. Very danger. Take away. If you see the black like here, so on the sea surface right down across black, take away yourself. Let the rough sea with a storm or whatever, you don't know what behind it, but it come in, take away yourself.
So it is the cloud that communicate with you?
Yes. By the movements of the wind. You watch it, the movements with the cloud and the wind. How fast it moving, how slow, and which direction it going to. The direction where the wind going to is where the storm or whatsoever coming behind heading to. If it coming over, is that where it's gonna come to you. And if you out here and the boat turn around, because the boat supposed to turn to sea. And if you see the sign and you see that boat spin around and the boat turn to land, take away yourself. Because they work with the current. The weather work with the current, the climate and the breeze, the wind. So the wind work with the climate and the current and the sea.
So you have to go with the flow.
Go with the flow. But you have to understand it and know it. Yes. You have to understand and know it.
I know it.
Yes.
It is not.
As a fisherman, that's why you see the younger one, you have to train them. You want to be a fisherman or is a whole ahead fisherman, have to bring you, learn you, the skill, make you know, sign, danger, when and how. It's like a card pack. It's like a gambling. If you know which card to play, which card to keep.
Hanka Jack.
And which card to throw. That's the way.
So if a brethren wanted to come down here and get a fishing license and go to sea with you to experience it, take about a week to get him license, right? And then you can take and him got and him make a vesting, radio and everything. You have a radio where you use your phone and call in if there's danger. Do you call the Coast Guard? How it works?
No, if you're in danger, we call the Coast Guard, but really we don't do danger, we have to call the Coast Guard because we already know the danger. And we not get into that distance of danger because we see it, we not make it reach in we.
So when Captain Jack say time to move, and a man say, no man, let me catch a little one here.
And to tell you something, I don't cut your story. I was to see one night, only with our friend them, we fishing down Great River section because we was parking boat. And we out there one night and we reach about 12 o'clock in the night, middle dark night, right during the night is dark. I see a half a moon in the corner between southeast. Half a moon. And it coming up bright like a moon on a dark night. And we sit down and we look at it and say, no man, this no look good. Take up my ball up my line, put it down on board, sit up. When we look to see kind of a piece of half a moon like this, you tell about the sea. And it could cross up on the cloud. It's like a half a moon. But it's showing red. And it's a middle dark night where there's no moonshine, no sunshine. And it started to spread out a little wider and wider and wider. I said, no, something wrong. Tell us something. I sound all of my brethren say, hee hee, because we have a style with sound. Hee hee hee. And so man and I say, watch there, look there. Why that no look good, me no like, you know. And me take up. I say me I go in. And me sound whether me no know if the rest asleep or so me make sure me check everybody and say, look, that no pretty. Me they go in. See, by the time we go in and pass over the reef to go over our channel, brother, radio don't pick up that it comes so sudden. A piece of breeze. You call that storm, and a piece of rain there behind it. The next morning when we heard, the time we park around in Bogue, next morning we heard bright here so, wood mash up there so, fisherman turn over because they catch most of the man there. So we have full experience and know what is what.
So you move
and the
out.
radio hard don't pick up that, and it was a freak storm developed in the Caribbean sudden when the radio hard don't take it up.
But you can't see it.
But I see it. So I know the sign of danger before it reach me. Can't see the sign of danger. I born to be a fisherman. My grandfather was a fisherman. I'm a little tata I used to use command pin, bend hook, going a little pan and start to. I can remember I catch one turtle and I run left him back and I call a bigger one seminar and then they say come coach him. I say me not come because I don't know and it's something. You hear something look and they go me. No sir. So I look at that below fishing. It's like in the blood. Yeah man. So you understand? These things is not just like what you see. When you from you left the land, it's a different thing on the water. Totally different. And it's so quiet, it's so peaceful.
You bring your wife out there, your lady out there with you ever?
Yes, man. And he love it, but up till now, in the part of my case, if you can't go see me, say you have to have a license. You love the sea.
So when you get your license?
You love the sea. You don't start with a bit.
When you get a... You don't want the danger out there catch him?
The danger with him, man. You just can't experience it.
Because maybe if you're there too long with him...
Can't too night, but for a night go fishing, you know. Yeah, man. You love it, man. But
she probably a challenge and say, no, we're still longer. And you say, no, make we go. And the man say, no, make we no go.
You love it, but, you know.
You don't want the danger.
You don't want the danger. And she love it. She not afraid nothing. She just love it and she fishing.
So out there, beautiful.
Yeah, man, wonderful.
Different
quiet,
world.
peaceful. And if you mind, if you're a sleepy person, you will sleep and just asleep because it is so quiet, so peaceful. It's a peace of mind. It's okay. When you go see, you come like your mind rest. It's like at rest. It's like another world. You're in another world. You're very happy. You're very peaceful. You're quiet. I don't know what to say. But it's a different world. A different world.
It's an honor to meet you, man, because of people like you, the Prime Minister, for give awards to. Me keep saying it, so if an official hear the video, they must say, you know, Randy, right?
Virgin.
We need to have awards. You need for, you see, you know when them go to the White House and meet the Prime Minister, there should be a time when certain fishermen are selected, go meet the Prime Minister, and him give them a little $1 million.
You want me to tell you something?
Talk to me.
And I have to say it. Walk around this beach and ask anybody about this fisherman named Jack. Ask him about him and you hear about him. He bring shark on this beach right here. Live shark. They talk about something about 300-400 pounds. Live something we can everybody when they come right, so everybody run off of the beach gone kind of live. Everybody take foot gone so. And I right here so me beat him and kill him because I can't imagine put him in the boat. Right here so me can't go. Every Sunday me have shark here. Actually, every Sunday, when I know 2 or 3, I ask anybody and learn the people them about it, how to eat it, because it's a strong menu, very strong, and make you ride it. It's a healthy food. Enough people don't know that. Shark meat is a healthy menu. You can do it in all kind of way. You know cow skin? You buy cow skin?
Yeah.
You see the skin, the head, the fin? It's just like that. Make soup, anything.
So shark soup, skin soup, make it chunk.
Don't bother say, and it make you know man and woman story.
Yes, sir.
Heavy.
So wait, then me no can give you money and then you just call me one time and say, Ron, the shark.
No, we actually have shark here every Sunday.
Every Sunday you have
Actually,
shark.
ask him one. Big shark, right on the table. Let's see my table here, so.
You cut him up.
Cut him up himself, clean him up. And who
cook
don't
him.
know it?
You cook it yourself?
No. I'm gonna tell you what me do now. Me build the customers, build the market. What me do? Who don't know it and they say pretty man, it nice and it looking good because it's just like a beef. So some people don't like it, some don't know it, so them say they want to try it. When they try it, they explain and tell them how to deal with it. You see, when they go home, they come back, they come like them want lick off meat for more, they want more. All who no eat it coming, all who never eat it and try it coming back.
So your shark always done every Sunday?
I want to tell you something.
At what time you have it? 6
like,
in the morning.
No, coming
7.
like about 8:30,
8:30 Sunday morning, you have shark.
Then time they me coming, but it's not all the while because sometimes I don't get none, but I'm mostly every Sunday morning now we have. I see fish there right here, so 3 igloo fish here, so. And me coming with 2 sharks. And when me clean it up because you have to wash it off, skin him off, clean him up, so you don't let it pure flesh. I don't carry bone, just grizzle. And when me slice it up neat like a sliced fish, and I sell it by per pound. I see 3 igloo fish right here, so the shark finished left the fish. Remember, I know it's fish and it's shark. And the shark finish, let the fish right there. When the shark finish, I know more. When it finish, people are come and say, where the shark there? Where the shark there? Fish there right there, so you can't imagine. First time shark used to chew it, nobody don't know it, nobody don't want it. And it's a strong food. Now some fishermen want to catch it, but they can't manage it because you see shark is a very strong fish. Very strong like an animal. You have to say it's a mammal because you see how you catch a cow and the cow pulling you with a rope and strong cow. Like him moving and you want to stop him and you can't stop him. That's the way the shark operate. So you have to have good line, good stuff to catch him.
You come back in the morning?
Yes man, when we go see tonight, we come back in the morning.
6, 7 o'clock?
No, not that early. 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, them time. Yeah, them time every fisherman coming in. Yeah.
Shark. Uncle Jack. This is Randy Jamaica Good Life. So this is the man finally find you. You have the history and the knowledge. Prime Minister, first award goes to Uncle Jack. Get to know act together. These are the foundation of Jamaica. These men are honorable. Them should give honorable. So now this is just half historical. You tell me about the farming acres.
No, if you see me farm, you cannot leave. Right now, we can't have my farm.
What time do you normally go to the farm?
Well, me go to the farm like...
You have a vehicle?
No.
Sure.
Me home down the far from the farm. Just walk from the farm, from the home to the farm.
I have to see the farm. What do you have on it?
All type of things. Alright, now if you name it is a whole bag of store.
So you say...
Right now, me have pear, me have banana, me have plantain, me have pumpkin, me have pine, me have coconut, me can't name it. Because I sell all those.
You sell it at the market?
No. Sell it like...
To people?
Eagle, yeah. And I want to tell you something, I'm mostly giving my produce. Because see yam and thing, coconut and everything, I'm giving mostly. Because somebody say, I want a piece of yam, man, I beg a piece of yam. Can I come? I say, look here, man, you come for it. I cannot come to nobody. So when them come, they get more than can manage.
Start spending money with your Uncle Jack. Why go market when...
You see what really happened? Me have my wife when doing the hustling too. You go there and we doing the hustling like when sting low. But me know, yes, yeah. This man know me farm too, you know. He can't tell you. That man know me farm, he come there already. I lost something me I tell about, man.
So a lot of people maybe know people like you. If they knew people like you,
see,
they wouldn't spend nowhere else.
I dream that dream is a dreamland, you know, because I dream see it and the same place where I dream see is like the same place I have the farm. I get the farm, I have the farm right now. Because who all won it was try winning it for his woes and it won't work out. And when me go to the authority and say, look man, me love me farming. He say, alright, hold on a little, I will tell you what, and then make me get the place. Because who all have it have to leave. And me get the whole thing. And I put it to use. I don't sit down one day. I get up and get the breakfast and things. Gone on my farm. Not to make my wife look about my breakfast. Me get up look about my breakfast myself.
What time?
Early in the morning, man. They say as me wake, me go brush my teeth and my breakfast me look out and me grab my bag and my machete. And on my farm went. And by 6 o'clock me leave out of the farm. No make 6 o'clock catch me at the farm too much. By 6 o'clock me leave the farm.
So you're pushing 4 o'clock then 3 o'clock.
By 6 me leave. So by 3, 4 me leave, but make 6 o'clock catch me in the farm. For one reason I don't know why, but I never like the idea. I never make too much of a late hours catch me at the farm. Yeah.
One day I forget when I'm forward back on my journey I'm going. Me and you have to go. I have to come and capture your story to the world, because what happened now is that people all over the world, when them hear your story now, them start to the value in investing in people like you. Because other businessmen will hear your story and say, Ron, I want to meet Uncle Jack.
Let me tell you something. You cut one banana as strong as me can't move it off a club.
So you're so blessed. What the blessed?
I can't tell you I'm blessed. No joke about it. I buy some banana, but the banana is foreign banana. And some people don't like it, but me like it. And I don't like the native banana. I like that banana when it cook. If for one reason I don't know it, but those banana, I want to tell you something. It up there and the long side at the ground they touch. The finger them long, them big, and I tell you something.
You fertilize them?
No fertility, I don't use fertility.
But none of your farm?
And nothing for my farm, I don't use fertility.
Can't
Natural me deal with. No, me no use, me no got that. First I was have it, but I don't have it no more.
Sumba?
No.
Cersei?
Yes, them thing they are around the bush here.
So what's up?
So what's up there? Mountain sap. Mountain sap, papa, everything.
I tell them we blend two.
The place rich, rich something,
It's
man.
the thickest thing. The more water I put in it, the more it thick.
Me dig some young man.
The mountain sap?
Yeah, me dig some young man.
nature thing.
It's a beautiful thing,
It
man.
come like, what I say, like when you said think Bible. No, when you said tuna.
Tuna.
You have
That's
to just make one swallow, it just come
That's
like a
the
cloud that go down.
Yeah, that is
Yeah.
mountain sap.
It's a cloud.
Well,
Yeah.
I got couple
When you do
well
it
now
thick.
plant because I want to hit the market. And me that is $150 a pound, I can't believe.
All 200 we have paid for
I
it.
can't believe.
100 a
So,
pound.
me put in it.
Remember me
Mountain
tell you.
sap?
Mountain sap. Yeah, it's
You know
a
it?
special
It's
sap.
sweet sap, but then
It
it's
next
No,
to sour sap.
next to
Sour
sour
sap.
sap, but
Yes.
it's round.
it's
But it's
round.
round.
Yes.
Yes. But it's the same sap.
Have the
But
same
it's a
look
different flavor.
have the same look as sour sap.
And thicker than sour sap.
And thicker.
Thicker than sour
But the
sap.
flavor is
Wow.
rich.
But it have a yellow, more yellowish color.
Yeah, yellow looking. But the flavor is rich.
Very rich.
More
and very
thicker,
rich.
more
You can
stronger.
get a kerosene pan out of two. The way we think.
It's like the more you mix it, the more you get thick.
More water going and more swell.
So,
And it
those
becomes
things-
so thick. So when you put it in your mouth, a whole cup go down one time. You have to swallow.
me eat one, you go on a bush, and feel peckish and you
Yeah.
eat one. You don't want nothing.
Yeah,
You
it's
take
like so,
the water you want for the day. You keep it and healthy.
Experience this.
Energy.
Yeah, man, I
It
really
give you
think, man,
energy. It's
Fire,
an
man,
energy
I
soup.
experience it.
It's an energy thing.
A man tell me say you use a feed pan and he say why
an energy
after
thing.
one get kidney.
It's
You
an
have to
energy.
stop drinking because he won't figure a road. So you have to
It's an energy thing.
It's a thing where build your system inside, man.
So if you're sick, I hit.
It no man,
Don't
it
really
build your man.
think
If,
about
if
that.
you're sick, it probably build you back.
Yeah man, like
You
tuna.
wake up.
Yeah,
Like if you trouble with
If you're giants.
a sinus,
Yes,
yeah man.
yes.
Natural
For the
sinus.
giants.
Yes,
Yeah.
Them sell it at
natural.
market right now.
Yes.
Right now, but it's not every time you get it. Sometimes
It's
you
kind of
don't get it.
space.
And you cook, you do it just like salsa.
Yes.
You just blend it. But you have to do
Me
it
no
with
blend
the
it,
seed.
me squeeze it.
We blend it with the seed
Me no
night,
put the
same way.
seed night.
And then I spoon me use and numb me out because the way you thick, the hard you can go through, you have to use a spoon, raise it, make it come out. Unless you want to water it, then you throw a whole heap of water and you can get a liquid. But the way I do it, it thick so till me say when you're drinking it, a one head cup and it not stop unless you break it. He just want to go down.
Just
So.
stick.
As for me drinking, me no bother with the watery thing.
We don't ramp
So
with the
we
farm,
learn about
man.
that now.
We don't ramp with the farm, man.
So you have used now whole heap of water if you don't want, but it's hard to come out of the strainer, so you have used a spoon, force it to come out.
Yes, he's come through.
Yeah.
Mountain sap.
Mountain sap. Is a original. You have to go get some, man.
May I get some?
I tell you. If you
Right
get
now,
them
me have
here,
the drop and
I
spoil.
line it up for you. and
Right
show
now,
you.
me go a farm, good to go. Me can go pick up some man that
They
tree
tell
right
him,
now.
they tell him, say, carry him, go sell me, because him like him, I make them spoil. Sometimes we go to market, we not get none. And we love it.
Yeah,
So I
man.
told me buy one, then I pay 200 for one and 150 for one. Yeah.
Yes, man.
So at least we know now.
A special sap is better than sour sap.
Yeah, that's special.
Mountain
Sour
sap.
sap and nerve feeding still, you know.
That's special.
Nerve.
That's
Yeah,
special.
nerve feeding.
That's special
But mountain
food.
sap are for the
Special
muscles and
food.
the
Muscle
bone.
and joints, everything.
Special
yeah,
food.
man. It build your system. Prove it.
So you farm too?
Me farm, I have a lot in my yard when me use it. For me juice, them, I just scare them through my fence corner right around and then grow. Yeah, then grow. And I pick them up and set them how I want them in that area them I want them. Yeah, man.
What's your name, sir?
Roots. Roots, yeah man, and good to go. I'm both name good to go.
Good to go,
Yeah, yeah. The boat over there.
So this is the sharp one.
This is the sharp man, yeah. Originally.
What are you known
Me the
for?
bar, man, eh?
What them know you for?
Well, everyone know me as good to go. Me kill plenty goggler, plenty wrench man. They call me wrenchy man, otherwise. Yeah.
So everybody has a special.
That was a special name.
That's the way I tell him to every man have them stories of fisherman.
Roots.
Specialized in murder and wrench man.
Every fisherman have a history story.
Yeah man, I realize.
So people contact you know.
Very much for it. The type of fish we kill.
So them can call on you and
And
just
say they want some wrench man.
call on you even before no
Before they
reaching.
even reach it.
But that's what's going on right now. Because the fish so scarce, we cannot get the fish. It's like a phone. A phone now with the linkage for fish because fish
Even
scarce.
just a while,
It's so
man,
scarce.
9,001 man of me. Yesterday give me 2,000.
The fish so scarce. The
Yeah.
fish is
Him a
so
trust fish,
scarce.
Yeah, because he said not now go on and mafia do
The
this.
fish
do that.
is so scarce now. A
I mean,
phone have to do the
Man, like
contact.
at the park.
So when you go out and get fish, no
I
other
go
one
and
cannot
find
really
out,
get any because it's already hard.
Only 2,000, give me 2,000. No problem, me have it. The glass, you know, it's still again. Yeah. But that man owe you more, nobody know owe you.
True, and then now when him take him time and pay you, him have to pay because he knows there has to be a
I
future.
want it all the while.
There's a
He need
future
it all the while.
to sell and making money.
Yes.
There's a
Enough
lot
man, now
of
give him
people.
like
There's a lot of people we've been feeding, brother.
And he can't take so much.
So now have a nice dependency, family thing.
There's a lot of
And today when me left here, when me know, me there check him and me see same busy, so me just go outside the day. One man I want me get that 2 from that man there. This man me check one lady who want me, he say, he don't remember me. But he said, let me check him back. But me never check him back again. Because I told you not rush them.
yes.
You give them,
I
you
will
give
not
them
do
time for like last week.
Yeah.
And you know, check him back
Yeah,
to
we're
that
not doing
2
that.
weeks time.
We will.
You don't remember saying way again. But
Yes,
you
yes,
still
yes.
record.
Yes, yes. That's what I say.
Yeah.
We're not rushing anyone.
Yeah, that's what I think.
So you guys are the bank. Because people love fish, you know.
Originally. Oh, you can't, many times when I come
Can't
and
get
cool
the fish
me
to get the
come.
people. This is sometimes
You know,
when they come on the beach.
3-4 times in a week, me come with barra or kingfish. And this man me check and he cut up here and call somebody on the phone and then come and buy ya.
You see on
Yeah, man.
Sundays,
Do you drink?
on Sundays, Saturday. You see on Sundays and Saturday.
How much for the dragon?
If you
Are
see.
you on dragon?
No, we don't drink on Malta.
How much for the market?
How much? I think about same money for the, you
No
know.
man, I think
Just buy
I think 250 or
2 dragon and a malt.
No, man.
That will work.
Yeah man, this work.
Every time, so
This work.
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
So deal with Captain Jack. Love is a family down here.
Yeah man, but some of them they no move right, but some of the good one have to bring the bad one. You understand? To unite.
So
Them don't know, them no unite. Sometimes you have to show the unite, make them follow. Some of them no unite at all. You have to kind of lift up the unite thing. If you notice how we stay down here, so we clean the place, we sweep the place, we make the place clean and things.
Yeah.
And when they come with like them announce the story, say look man, we don't want that here. You understand? That's the kind of the ability. Yeah, that's the kind of the ability because some of them not really up to it, up to date in that way.
Yeah.
We have to kind of break it down. Make them looking at themselves sometimes. And the way how we move and we operate together as a body. Yeah. So it's like over there, so them stay one side and I watch the other side. You know, and say, Ray, you understand? Yes, because a different side. Down here, so it's a different side of the world.
tell me.
Listen, down here, so it's a different side of the world from up the other side. So it's like a different nature down here, so from up the top.
Different people.
Yes, different
They
people.
clean us.
And different feeling.
They clean.
You understand? That's how we operate.
They clean.
And some then come and they want to type. You say, look man, no, can't work that way. So you have to just set yourself in a different body. So you see people come a morning time and then come and then take a seat and then sit down and then relax, them talk, them story until then get them fish.
Yes.
You understand? Because make the place comfortable. If you notice a little shed, no sun. If you notice over there, so a little place, if you want to rest, you can lie down and relax little. You understand? You know, look 10%, but you make your way feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Make it comfortable.
Yes.
So what we planning to do now, we want to get the government now to be like a something we can contaminate some people if you sit down and relax. Like when people come to buy, sit down and light and relax. If rain fall, them can sit down.
Oh, Jack, if you want where you Jack, no, hear me.
And then, you know, everybody feel comfortable.
Hear me, sir, Jack. Hear me, sir. Come and tell crew that I don't know.
You understand?
Same off we go get the bamboo them. Government and bamboo separate from government. Once you have bamboo, you're good, you know. With a bamboo man, you know, you can do some dangerous things.
Me know Latin bamboo crafting too.
You do bamboo crafting?
Me know Latin it.
Okay, so you
Me know
can
a
make.
lot of things about bamboo.
So you can
Make
chair
anything
them.
out of bamboo.
You can make the long chair them.
Can't make anything out of bamboo.
There you go. Because a bamboo this place need.
When I was recently better, I used to chip out the bamboo. Can make basket, make fish pot, swims fish pot, all kind of things with bamboo. You can make cup, make pipe, make flute. You can do all kind of stuff.
Okay.
I tell you, so I'm a jack of all trades from before.
Uncle Jack. And you do mason work too?
Do mason work, carpenter, all of them, you name it. Whether plumbing, anything, you name it. I work in a hotel for 18.5 years. And me was a top man. And I don't learn no trade, I don't go nowhere and learn no trade.
Uncle, them have got beg me for your number. Enough of them.
Look here, I don't know no trade. I working and learn all my skill and I come be the top class best.
Sometimes in our life, I do the film.
In trade.
And I just give people number. And them say, yeah, then go around me. You know, people like to go around people. And they don't support me thing, you know. And when they, I say to them, when they want sitting like a good man like this, when I find the good people them, then grab them from me. Randy, give me the man link, man. I said, then why you not buy me a drink? Eh? No. You know, tell me about the wah Jamaican them, everything they begging, the wah.
That's it.
They don't give, they don't support.
No, they don't support, they want. But sometimes when you look in it too, it's vice versa. They don't have to give.
Is it because?
Some don't have to give it. Honestly, some don't have to give it.
But every man can have a
And when
muscle,
they
every man
want-
can help.
Yes, but when they want, sometimes you don't in their position. Sometimes when you check out life, everybody's not the same. Some people they live in here so. And in the years of years, you know about if you plant a seed here so. If you don't live, you just have to go out and come in and look it. You know, have no opportunity to help himself in a certain way. You have to go if you go work for me and you to support him. Sometimes when me and you not support him, so you go. You have to look him way out, find him way out.
Yeah.
You understand? So when you come and you want because you don't have it, you say, boy, I beg you this and so. You know something, some of the time people come and say, boy, you know Jack, I want a pound of fish but the money weak. You know, look at that, you say a pound of fish I want. You come here one day and a lady buy from me all the while and him say want some fish. And him say, him say, in the have a $5,000 and he don't know $5,000 gone until now. And he can't find it. And he want 3 pounds of fish. 3 pounds of fish, man. That's the way nature mistake. My grandmother In part of me, we come from a good family. My mother was a what you whooping? My grandmother was a district nurse.
Crude oil.
Give me.
My grandmother is a part of tradition. My grandmother was a district nurse. And here me see me, my grandmother, great grandmother. Anywhere they sick, they come from my doctor can better brother, she better. Him have her one, what you call it now? Him have her one medicine cheese. And him buy everything. Him buy everything from the pharmacy where we know as a medicine. And he help out the neighborhood. That's my grandmother, so it's a nature. My grandmother before him died. Our history. Look how the sick, the soul food and the sick can better and it come a sheep. When you left here, he's a better person. He's a God-gift person because he's a church people. I'm going to out of the church. Everybody, my whole set of family is a church people. I'm going to be the one who straight. But we go to church now and then. But me the one who out of grass and they try to feed the others.
It's the first one by drink and bring back change for me.
That's true.
Enough people me checking.
Enough people tell me that.
Me checking.
You understand?
If I'm one level,
No, you see, you have a song here, real. We know real about you. Real people is here. But you have to know real people. Everybody is not the same.
I real life and I lie there. And if me say if I'm one, sometimes I say, we are giving back that for. I say, no, man, so me stay there better you tell me about me, you have to bring. Me that. Yeah.
You see?
Everybody is
It's
not the
not
same.
like that type of person.
Lots of people don't understand. When a man come around you, he will test you and you're not even know.
Right, for instance.
But that's not something because we don't grow that way. We go through that a lot.
Yes. Yes.
We go
Because
through a lot of that.
everybody have mats, but them things sometimes we don't have no mats in the way.
Okay.
Listen, I hear this man that there, I know me keep on illustrating it in my mind. It's a man different from all the other people that I'm seeing in the world.
That's what I'm saying.
You
I really say that.
Yeah, me I tell you, the reason.
What you telling the people? I'm saying?
No, you know what I say? The reason why you're depend is only God himself could have raised like people like how me hear your reason.
And people like you, me like their own.
You see what I say? You know, so one lady, when me and she when I move, me I tell you, me not talk to her from that. She's behaving in a manner where, alright, the cook. Before me go up cook, me and Bacchus go down and I said to her, I said, me I go up cook now and he said, left feed. And me and Bacchus outside I eat and the lady come with her little daughter. And the lady they go back out of the yard, he must say, me I eat. Like me should I just stop it, get up go pay him some more different attention. And he dey on his phone at the same time when he come in and when he done, he gone back out again, say, me I eat, I go down back later.
So what is
So me no say, I know me no answer yet. But he stop out again for a while. And then me I say to my brother and say, what kind of woman this is? Remember somebody, me I deal with him. And me I say, my God, but this woman look sensible. Oh, if you come in and me I eat and instead of you join with it and go take out your own and make we eat. You go tell me, you know, say me they eat till I go back. Then he come back in. And me start to raise with him now, he must say, when me a quarrel, me say me not quarrel, me I try to raise with him because me I say look foolish to me.
So you are showing the principle of the thing.
And the thing, me I say you're embarrassing because you tell me you soon come help me eat and now me they eat and you they come and go back so me I eat. You make me look like idiot.
Yeah. That's how you go. You see some people not really.
You believe that, Daddy?
Knowledge.
And she make a big muster and me not say nothing, me just stop. I say alright, I'm wrong.
Those people now they not using knowledge.
Then he come and he relax and then he take out some and he gone down and
Them foolish.
you know, so from that he no come back because me go through one reason when I say we have to dead. And me I say to him, say, why you thinking of dead? Me say you want dead? All in the pan is we have it. Me say alright. Me can't reason with him. Me say you either get me out of my mind, me can't separate you. You're frustrated. And me come and hear this daddy talk and me listening good and me I say everything what the man say come like a him a God. Because me listen a views of the Almighty strength and it's just like that. You're walking dead. Yeah. Logically walking dead people upon earth. Yeah. All in mind upon is dead. You want to go picnic sick and And I use against me each time. They say, you have to go look this for the youth and you have to go look that for the youth. So me I say, then worry about life so much when you have so much dead in mind. That me have to look upon him and say, then if me sick, 2 years attack. If I call my daughter from France to tell him say me sick. Because 2 years show me have to dead.
Good to go.
They say, you know, try to live.
Good to go.
Me ask me if I see a madman walk out on the road and carry the kimet.
Reality.
He must say, yes, man walk out on the road, but I them no lick him. Me I say,
You see, in life, reality. People always run from reality.
I tell you. So when me listen to you, man, you give me, you uplift me. You realize, me the rock in the right road, but we just not find the people them where they are.
You know, I'm going to see, you know, I'm going to something.
Because if I listen to man and I talk foolishness,
You
I
want
not
Sims?
much I say, no. More me listen
I don't know if you can manage him. You know, say, like, oh, you have sugar, I'm nothing, you should have managed.
You overheard the conversation, you pull
No, we
closer.
just sit down and reason, man, and me hear him by me and your bomb squad and... Yes, man. Me's a listener, you know.
No, we're not graduating.
Enough time you say we pull forward and you say, but what going on? This is a something wrong.
Because me sit down and help conversation, you know, because me I get the views straight like how when you say you live in the street. You learn off of the street of the people. And when you're in this area, it's only this area you're in because you're not getting no learn more of the people that were there years ago. Because them not go nowhere and they not go around this or say, no, I go around this only yesterday and there. A reality, a natural vibes. So you see the people that don't travel, they lost the basic call.
Alright.
Them don't want to face reality. When you come to reality, and if you stand up to it, them start to run.
Them run like dog. Yo, you know many times that lady call me, that's time I soon come. And tomorrow I'll come and she not come. That's when I time you know deal with it for a week. And when he shame and look bad over when the member say, today Friday I go be your birthday and I promise to help him. And you said that the day he call me. And when he come, me I reason him, I say, boy, you're different. I say, I want me to do you. He must say, then you couldn't call me. I say, call you for what? You don't mean you don't talk. And we have set agreement, so why problem if you're not, you say something must
The
wrong?
problem with you now is to say that it's a military person, but you don't know if you deal with it either. You have to just know it.
Me don't want to know how to deal with it because that's the problem where me I run from.
Yeah, that's simple as that.
You want somebody to run after him, me tell him, say, listen me. You see, if I see you now and go my way, alright there, so you stop you know, because me's not going to force you to come my way. Because I know where me trying to go and I see you now go after me, so it means say you depend on your own.
We give you like a trick there. You said, get some music where you never hear before.
Right.
Every fish have a special hook.
Alright.
Alright, good.
Okay?
Alright, good.
The next time come around you do that, do some salsa and you must say, what you do?
Yes.
Stop your foolishness. But you keep your salsa,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, listen to your man.
Listen now. Remember say, it's a different thing, you know?
Yes.
You know, so you're mad.
Yeah.
Give me name again.
Roots.
Roots. You're mad. So Roots get some Spanish music, you know. Change the scenery.
Yeah.
So you think saying in Jamaica, Roots team are coming into the salsa music. Right? And Roots just salsa. And he might dance, you know, and he come in at the house. Where you go tomorrow? Where you say? And you dance. And he might come in at your world. You sit down and he start calm down. Every human being has a frequency. Music is something that can't help.
Yeah, man.
Of course.
Every human being have a mental way of different.
Yeah, man.
And sometimes it just you have to think on her like this. You is this, she is this.
Right.
Music helps with if on a music, sex, food, chemical help it bring it down. Music is a great chemical. Kind of harm you.
That's why me love music.
True, man. More culture, yeah.
But you change the music, man. Freak him out, give him something different. The salsa music now activates something in his soul that's never been activated before. Because you're playing the same song at the same person. Change the music.
Yes.
Give some Brazil jazz.
True.
They say change it. Now give some You have a little thumb drive, you have music or nothing, you have nothing to play music, you have nothing.
You have something you can play.
You put a USB in and you play a speaker.
You know, so right now, when we need one special, I go buy one.
Get something, because you're my brother. You see when you have problem in your heart?
Yes.
Yeah, me music.
Just turn on the community. I love music.
Yes, man.
Rhythm and blues, listen with music.
Change the communication right now.
Right away.
That is still down balance. If you change your environment, you change the people in your environment.
Yeah, true.
But you know, change your environment.
That's different.
Yeah, you will talk to him. Don't make you talk. Make your environment talk to him.
Talk.
You see when him come, I have a glass of flowers for him. You see when him come with the attack, here you go, baby. How is it?
Sure.
Who you attack? Hey.
Because I always the reason say you really look like you take me so mad, man.
Stop reason.
You see, you can't go there with him.
That
is your problem.
That's a break it up.
Lions don't reason with women.
Right.
Show a woman.
The power.
Right?
Yeah.
Flowers, music, cook a wicked piece of soup and lick off your head.
Yeah. We treat him good, man, but him have mentality where, I don't know, the old slavery people mentality, me see how. Believe you me. Old slave grandmother was a whole time people, country people.
Them dark.
Yeah,
we
so
call them dark.
That me even have to say to them, say, listen, you see most of the old people then they were very foolish. So they don't have certain mentality, so they want to grow up with the same kind of idea. Yeah.
Do you count? You have a drum?
No.
That's another problem. He's a Rasta man, he needs a drum.
Alright. And you see the same thing you just adjust to your magic party.
Yeah.
Can build them.
Okay.
Right now, me have some of me other.
Yep, lend him a drum. Please, Jack.
But it's the next church brother, but you don't come from.
Alright.
Also,
You build drum too? Goat skin?
But what I'm just saying.
Oh Lord, Jack.
He's a musician, you know. You know, half know nothing about me. You know, half know nothing about me. Come not tell half of my story. Me is a part of Jamaica culture. The big bamboo fife. He's a fifer in Jankuno. Me play the fife in Jankuno band.
Wow.
You didn't know this?
Yeah, man, me and talk with you. Me and work together,
Some
man.
old 14 island.
We work together, man.
I go to the boat. You have a brother.
You skill, man.
You have a brother in Grange Hill. He was the captain. Have a bus car we used to carry all around the island in holiday time.
This man
go a hotel all boat. Sleep a hotel all boat.
I sleep in China, well,
you don't know nothing about me, so me I try to tell you something. Me create my own history. We make my bamboo fife and blow it. And if no tonight we can blow it. Right now we have 3 fife on my yard. We used to go around street at Christmas time, Christmas Eve time. We jump, make costume. And we play the fife and we have the people in the yard and man we play the drum. We have 3 times. We play Kumina, we play Jankuno, we play you name it.
Yes.
It's a part of culture, but it kind of break down now. It break right down now to nothing and we want to come back.
So you have to bring it back. So right
we can't bring it back because who in the group? Them don't fool when they drink come and talk so it's like
get mixed up.
They can't go.
One more time you.
They cannot go because they don't have no manner, they don't have no discipline.
Yeah, right yourself, you just blow it by yourself.
You understand?
You see me? Sometimes you just take one, you know. You don't need, it will come.
I tell you, say I'm very creative from beginning, but you don't understand the first what you're talking to.
More me learn.
Yeah, more live is more learn. But them the people I deal with, I them talk about.
No, you see, let me tell you something.
You can't sit down right just now and Billy a joke.
Here's one of the things about every time I come here.
You can't sit down right
we have a man a target and me a talk to you.
You understand?
Right?
Yeah.
My reason that brother. Like come you see my reason Jack.
Yeah.
And somebody always come and them bring the spirit with them where bother them, you know.
Yes.
You see what him do?
Yes.
And the spirit, the woman knowing this conversation, you know. And what always happens is that The last time we talk and a man come and the people that we are fighting him bring come, you know.
Alright.
She's like,
yeah man, I really
There's something have to cut off.
But what about the mind you have to function everybody?
It's coming like a sword. It comes like a sword, like a piece of string when they yes. So piece of cut off.
Cut off, yeah.
So you just come cut it off right.
I think we know this man so spiritual, let me bring up all these vibes to all
and bring it come and say to myself. Well, when I ever have a time, when the dirty spirit them now follow me. We come down here to have a nice little calm. Yeah. And everywhere me going out, the dirty parasite them can't stop. Man. And then we come through the other one.
But when they leave, they learn something, you know. When they leave, they learn something, but they might not contain it.
Yeah. But after a while, they sit down and meditate.
Yeah. Because me learn a lot from this man just right here to sit down now. Yeah, a lot. Then never forgetting.
A healer, the greatest healer heals the mind.
Right.
When the mind is healed, the mind itself heals the body.
Right. Check that, we get them vibes there, yeah?
Right. So a healer, we come from up in the mountains in Manchester.
Right.
My grandfather was a healer. And then you have the barnyard and they heal the people them. And him send them down to the mission house. And then sit there and clean them up. So in my ancestry, me if it taking place.
Yes.
But me they are foreign. So how me can take in place and me they foreign?
No.
So me they have to develop my tools within me are foreign.
But it's like within your kind of same pulling a string in the family's tradition. Because me is one of them same things. Okay. My people them also quite up a healer too. It's like to me, everything what they do is good.
So when them say, I'm going to take something off of you.
Yes.
When people had things upon them, mind, spiritual, whatever, it's all start with the mind.
Yes.
When you bring up top of the hill, you see me when I raising the brother.
Yes.
Them have things on them head when not right.
No,
so when I talk to them and reline up the head, 1 week now, then go home. And them I meditate one way, the words of me say now.
Yes.
Like the word in the Bible is healing.
Yeah, culture, man, yes.
But the word that me I bring now is a different vibration. Yes. And not written.
No.
For my like how you are a healer.
Right.
When we meet now, that's how me get the beads.
Yes.
You're the only one at Jamaica me take off the beads and me give it to.
Yeah.
Because that's where the energy say give this is the man.
Yes.
And I said James. You see how me come from Manchester and me can't say.
Right.
I only him could have wear my beads.
Yeah.
Because your balance, you have it.
Yes.
So when my hand used to shake, so when me did mash up in the head, I made have to take a year and balance it.
Yeah.
So you learn to heal from within.
Yeah.
You learn to smoke from within.
Yeah,
so if Jamaican men don't find the inner herb, they've not reached there yet.
Right now, I tell you guys, I'm soon going to get going to give me a growth also.
You see, so when you have these Jamaican men who go to 60, 50 and you see them, they've not reached yet.
No. Still want to reach.
Yeah. the herb in here, so you know?
Yes.
So, what struck you was that my balance when me talk, forward to you.
It's like a fruit bearing on the tree,
when
man.
You're calm.
Yeah, man.
And when I meet you and then everybody come for the calmness.
Spirit, yes.
You know, and then the brother come and him have him knife and him come and him start talking and then him take over the conversation and I said, Lord God, then why are these people coming? Right, because enough of them need balance.
Yeah, man, that's true.
You see me? So this gathering here is more spiritual than anything. My people that watch my program, them not really know the side of me. But you sure me wear this?
Yes.
And this we're supposed to be wearing, you know.
Okay.
Because this is the highest level we've ever attained. You see when them broke down this is how we have to remember. You know, this would build for balance of the star.
Yes.
When the boy them come and thief the books them from we, you know.
Yes.
Them run. And then build a new nation based on this.
Yes.
But we have to go back for this from a lot of knowledge. If put it in a way, the balance way. So you go deeper than you go deep.
Yes.
So meeting we don't know is like
And then so then when you come and say use music, we used to use sound in Africa. Sound is the balancer.
Yeah, the balance,
Don't
yeah.
speak, dance. Don't speak, dance. More time you have people bother with you, just light a fire and dance for them.
Yeah.
So the mind is like,
Yes.
you know,
Yeah.
So now here's a challenge and the problem with Jamaicans. When they're fed, you see you're not supposed to read the Bible with numbers, you know. The brain is not supposed to work with word and number. You see the way them write the Bible? Imagine a river flow.
Right.
Do you have stoplights at a river?
No.
You have stoplight in the sea?
No.
You ever in the sea and see a stone out on it? No, right?
thing just keep flowing.
You ever look on the cloud and see a little stone and stop it?
No.
You ever see a stoplight in the cloud?
No.
Everything keep flowing.
No.
So if you don't see no stoplight in a river and no stoplight in a sea and stone, why is there a stoplight in the Bible?
So,
If it's an ocean of blessings from the earth, then you're not supposed to just flow.
just flow up, so. Pull it,
When you're
yeah.
in the sea,
Yeah.
can you jump from here to this, to this,
No,
to this?
no.
So think about the mind of the people that read the Bible.
I do. They mix up.
Them jump from here to here, to this, this, to this. So think about a man in the mountains with feed mind.
Mine, right. You
You
walk
get up and see the bird and
Yeah.
and the trees, and he can't read. Otherwise, this man,
bless
as
him.
he's in the flowing of the trees.
Yes.
Now look at the dumb man now. Take up a book, and I saw it set.
Yes.
Then the line them in my head, so.
So, full stop all the while.
He jump over here, so he jump over there, so when he come over here, him can't share, he miserable.
Concentrate.
Because in my head.
Contrary. Get contrary.
Confused.
So the foundation of the misery in Jamaica is how they write the Bible.
Yes.
So now when you read the Septuagint, or they call it Septuaginta,
Yeah.
now the Septuaginta, you will not never hear the word yet because the Jamaican them don't know about
No,
it.
no.
So that Bible now has no numbers.
No.
They read like a story.
Yeah, that's it.
Maths and word nothing mix.
No.
Numbers are numbers, spirit are spirit.
That's it.
So when the numbers and the maths are mixed, the brain is like, what is?
Yes.
We have to think about John 6 and then back to 17,
Right.
chapter verse 6,
Right.
and then with
Problem.
So the numbers
There's a whole lot of different thing coming now.
so
Yes.
now the numbers are
Yes.
play with the way the word's supposed to inspire you,
Yeah.
and you jump from
Because so many different people do the thing. I know one people. So it's very frustrating.
So now when you think that you have a high spirituality, you don't.
You don't because you don't even
Because your
start.
brain I think about numbers and reference.
reference.
So you're a walking computer.
That's why you
Yeah.
see sometimes when them come to me some church things, say, look,
Yes.
I can't carry the cross, so I can't manage it. I have to leave it alone. Because I carry the cross, I still have a crucify.
Yes.
Because what I know if you go do, I still have one. So
Yeah.
have no sense in it.
Getting you confused.
Ah.
That's the way me always put it to some church people.
Yeah.
But them wouldn't understand.
So now you
True.
You understand?
you over say, oh no, yes sir.
You understand?
So now how them feed with information. Remember I said
Right.
you are information. You get information from the sea.
Right.
And you became that. What if a man come with a complex book and give to you? That is what you become.
Yes. I change
Complex
your mind. I try to change your mind.
Huh? But at the sea of the kind of, so the Almighty
Reflect
attack
by,
you
yeah.
through the sea
Yes.
and through the nature. What if nature and sea become secondary to book?
But from creative, he said, come let me make you.
Fishers of men.
He said, let me make you. He said, let me make you be.
Yes.
So what you gonna do? You have to make you be. Do what I say you feel.
Make you be.
Yeah, make you be. So what it is?
So this is why you see when you see these people come around you and they confused and they're noisy, it's because them head noisy. So all our people have been fed a noise. Now if you don't have a drum in your yard, you can't go back on frequency.
Yeah.
So if 10,000 drum are beating in Jamaica right now at 10 o'clock,
Yes.
but
Like
then
it used to be in the time of when I know. Yeah.
you see what I'm going.
No more.
Yeah.
Don't stop make. I only who know it have it.
So now,
Seriously.
even the war we are going here so among different people. When you bring a drum jack, that's what me tell you, say you can
create something.
The drum is a beat of a heart.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
It's a beat of a human
heart. Yeah.
in a unity heart.
It extend your heart and it make it louder.
Yes.
So a man I hear your heart.
Yes.
And if you beat it good, the man say, yo,
Yeah.
the man the balance. You see? So then we stop beating the drum.
Yeah.
We stop expand our heart to others.
Culture,
A different way you can love.
Yes.
Me now for show you love by moving up to you.
No.
If me I play music, I use my energy. And my energy show your ears
Yes.
love.
Oh,
And you
right.
said the man there said melody.
Yes.
You see, if you did not play a flute around your enemies,
Yes.
you're then done.
Then done. Yeah, it's true. It's true.
They can't approach you.
It's
Drum is a speakable thing, you know.
Yeah, man. It
That
speaks for
some can
itself.
speak to you in
Yeah, man.
mind,
Not
but you
natural,
have
yeah.
to know it. It can talk to you and it can sing to you. The
Yes.
same drum where you play boom boom
Have a meaning in every
is a speakable thing.
Yeah, man.
So here's the thing special about Jack. He make the music. He play the music. He's a farm.
Yes.
He's a fisher.
He's a fisher.
He's a healer. Is it?
Yeah.
And plus he's a feeder, can feed
You feed the
lot
people.
of people.
People, yeah, man.
Some more time you have him here, so you know.
Yeah, man.
I don't know.
That's true. That's true.
And me come and put on the beat for him.
Alright.
And say, see me.
Let him work together, man, and move around and let him breathe. Let him go and see him get a lot of experience from him because that system is really experienced.
It's a
Yeah.
spiritual.
Work with him, the wind that blow.
Oh, him see the trouble I come.
Yeah.
With him, the wind that blow, if my set in it, he just go out and him prepare for the wind. The work out for the wind.
Yeah. We try to find special people like this throughout Jamaica. Some people learn system from reading book and practice system,
from, yeah.
but some people listen to
Natural.
nature.
Nature and work out for
It's a
the
higher power.
Natural.
It's a more. It's a in bless.
wind. In a real life. In a real
In
life.
bless. It's a pleasure for me to Jack. 'Cause enough man just repeat things when them read and when them
And
hear.
we're there here.
But this man live it.
And natural liberty at that.
Live it.
You know, talk to the things that happen to me.
I tell you something here for everyone. You have to face it.
Yes.
You have to go towards it.
Yeah, man.
Just like when you see the goal out the side one, you see the goal and go there now. You have to go towards it.
Yeah.
It can't come to
I
you.
reach the goal, yeah.
It can't come to you. And you have to go towards it.
That's
It's a blessing.
Ah, boy. Tell you. Another road out here.
Yeah. But the frequency is good.
Yeah.
And the thing about it, each of us on this work our road to do it. But we not
Everyone have
we
a
not
road.
do it.
But they are not doing
Some
it.
neglectful, we're not doing
They
it.
do
But to
so
make a
many
start,
fun
you can
things.
reach towards it.
Of course. Of course.
You understand?
You can reach the goal you want. Well, me try run away from the problem when I see it. You know,
Yeah, man.
Nah, sit down, make it hold me down. Run away from it. Because I mean, like that. You're supposed to know my feeling and how my feeling to carry on. I want to get it stagnant. Nah, stagnant myself. Nah, stagnant myself.
Ah, boy. You live, you. You live. Yes,
So the next generation is.
In a young life.
So now train them.
yeah, man. Yeah, we are training.
Stay upon it and pull up your pants, Marcus Garvey says so.
Right, let's go.
Alright? Remember that. He wouldn't like it. Marcus says so.
Real thing. You know, that deal most of them will get a learning it. Yeah, man. Because when you take your belt out of your pants, then have a no belt. Yeah. And each one go there and come back at that habit and stick up. Yes. And I come out and do the same thing. If a man make a vitamin drop because he can't run, then pants down here so.
We have a lot of work for those men towards them.
My serious.
That's why we bring the information.
One night and them that try to lock them up for about them.
When you go in, yeah, go in, so you
Yeah, go inside. In a real life.
But you know, Jack, we not look for
We only
anything.
if you do what we can
We
do
not look for anything. We're looking for a change.
for a change.
but actually, the same thing.
Change on no end.
Same meaning, actually. Because okay, you try to bring them no look at it.
Then
And
they
the
want
younger
to
one, they come, they learning it.
and like the vibes.
And like this, so
The balance of that, man.
it go be a hard
go
road. Not so easy.
start going. Guess what? You see, because them have the internet. You see, some of the things where they're hidden from them. Here's a good thing. Here's a good news. A man had a book from you.
Yes.
A physical book. For 60 years.
Yes.
The internet now, to the youth them, the book is now accessible to them.
Yes.
Me can send this Prince a video right now on him phone. We change him life. We can send him 600 video. But before, would have to sit down somewhere, talk to him for 600 hours. So the new world are going to do the internet, the virtual world. We get the information now and we'll feed it to them to balance the information with them get before. So even though you say it's not easy, it is possible. So what happened now, you see how you like that? So you have a phone, we give him a video. Lick off of me, give him another one. Give him another one. So what happens is when we put the information, you see, when them see the ancient